Hey guys, what is up? Today I'll show you how to fix a critical error has occurred in League of Legends. So what you want to do is right click on League of Legends, go to file location. Once you open this window and resize it, go back to here, go back to Riot Games, and then open up League of Legends. Now all you have to do is delete config and data files. So you do this, right click or delete, and that's it. Once you've done that, click on game, right click on League of Legends, go properties, go to compatibility, and make sure to tick disable full screen optimization and run this program as admin. And then click apply and OK. Now if this doesn't help, you can go back to properties and then untick the admin, and it should work. And just restart League of Legends and it will download the config and the data files, and it should work. Let me try. Let it log in. Let's see if it works, and it works. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. If this video helped, leave a like. If you have problems, comment down below. I'll try to help you as best as I can. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.